What's up, guys? Today we are gonna play a ball, or how many balls we want. So, the first one we're normally gonna play is gonna be QTC Cinderella, since in the last video I actually failed her, which is gonna be coming. So I actually beat her last time, because just think I didn't say that all of the stuff. So these YouTubers are a bit smarter, let's say that. So these are the harder ones actually. So let's see if we can do another one. So let's play Wish Boy. It's a dog. So it says Wish Boy is the bookish host of public access TV show Book Club for his lesson on the most dramatic moment in chess history. Actually, I just got a question. Does Wish Boy actually play chess? Let's just forget about that and play it. So yeah, let's play a challenge. Hey kids, today we are learning about the 1978 World Chess Championship between Anatoly Karpov and Viktor Korchnoi. You literally won't believe it. So let me just ignore that and let's play e4 and knight f3. Well, there's down 2 games, only down 50. So in defense, we're gonna go Italian. It's the most one I've played. And castle. I don't think castling is the best move. But likely, I don't know how to play honestly. I'm playing pawn d4. But he developed his f6 knight, which he thought he was gonna pin my pawn to my bishop. So, what should I play? I can't fold because the queen protects c7. If I even go knight b5, should I play? Should I trade pawns with pawn d4, like pawn d4 and pawn takes on d4, knight takes d4, bishop takes c4, not a good one. Wait, I think that's a good one. No, that's a bad one. Let's just forget about that. So what should we play, guys? I still don't know what to play. I'm actually fused. Oh, that's right. Now let's just copy what he did. d3. I copy you, buddy. Do you know? Oh, he jumps in the center. You know what I'm going to play. I don't care. Using the power of imagination, we have been transported to the most Korchnoi-accused Karpov of cheating using blueberry yogurt. Seriously, Google it. I don't know if that's true. There's no way I'm going to Google it. So it's an equal game. And everybody knew it. I don't even know. Let's play his knight, g5. He doesn't play it. Wow, I didn't know he was actually going to play this. I didn't know he was going to play this opening. Oh, what a mistake. What a mistake. Oh, okay, never mind. I thought I pinned his queen. I thought I pinned it. Oh, social target. We got a social target, guys. Let's see if any other piece can join the queen with h7. Queen h7. So I can play rook e3 to go to rook h3 and try and checkmate, but because I'm 100% sure she would find that and get my bishop out of the way. I had an idea. Oh, I can't film. What am I thinking? I can't play anything. I literally can't play anything. And she kicked me out of knight b5. I just played a dumb move. I literally played a dumb move. I was kicked out of the bishop. She didn't see the free pawn. She doesn't care. I'm not pre-moving because I'm scared that I would literally lose. Yeah, that's what I'm scared of. Let's see if she takes my bishop. Oh, she doesn't. But she leaves the bishop. Oh my god, I didn't even see that she forked. I didn't see that she forked my pieces. I literally didn't see that she forked my pieces. Is it she or he? I don't know who Wish Boy is though. She doesn't take my knight. What is she doing in humanity on Monday? Yeah, I don't know what I say. No, so she doesn't want to take the knight. That's why I learned. Let's play e3. Oh, now she's going to take. She doesn't take. I don't know why she's playing gobbledygook. And kind of find openings that make me a good player, but I don't find any that are that good. She doesn't pre-move. Why doesn't this bot pre-move, bro? It does. Oh, she couldn't take that right. Oh, down. I'm just gonna march forward. Sha, I'm forking you. Oh, man, I thought I won that. I thought I got a new queen, but she's like, forky. I'll take the bishop. If I was to say bishops are better than knights. That's what I heard from Anatoly Karpov. Actually, that's not true. Let me try it to them on. Let's play bishop d4. Play rook b8. I don't even know if this is a he or she. Like, real right now. Let's play rook e3. And rook h3 and queen. She attacks my bishop. Nice. Normal game. Right? I'm at both of my bishops. Stop it! Stop! She attacks my queen. Okay. I'll play queen. Please don't attack again. I'm gonna be such in a stress. Play h5. Please. Oh, he's trying to checkmate. Oh, that's not gonna be a checkmate. After bishop takes d1, it's not checkmate anymore. And my queen even protects d1. Wait, what's he gonna play? He's gonna actually try it. Oh, he moves his pawn. Normal chess. I wish my bishop was still on b3. Like, it would be a biggest scream in the world. Let's let this rook to f3. I'm gonna try and check my rook. She plays knight c2 and I my rook. What is this bot thinking, man? She thinks I'm gonna blunder something? No. Maybe I am gonna blunder something, actually. Let's play rook g3 maybe, attacking the knight. Shit. Why stop marching forward? Getting angry, bro. Oh, and tell me shit. Oh my, I was so scared right there that I lost a bishop to an 8-year-old. That was so funny if I actually did that. Really like, oh my god, he lost a bishop. I'm literally not attacking his pawns for like a week from now. So I have the pawn on c4. I'm winning in points. What is that move, bro? Who the hell in macaroni advisor placed that move? Check. Walk. And no immunity. Wait. Take. I want a pawn. Some points. Now this is where he gets the downfall. Rook takes c6. And I am pressing that. So she attacks my bishop. Normal. Nothing weird, right? Play bishop e3. Oh, jeez, that's such a bad move. Rook f3. And rook f6. So discard check and I'm attacking the Yes, sir. I want the queen now. And she can do nothing. She can do. And also, my mom just came in the room. And she actually there. You know what? Let's put pressure on the f7 rook. It moves. What difference? I'm gonna attack the knight on d4. She doesn't move it. I don't care. Why isn't it checkmate? Oh yes, sir. I didn't see queen. Okay, that's Momo. I'm trying this. Oh no. No! Oh, I'm still winning? Holy moly! Guacamole! both of these pawns. No, why did I push it? I was so dumb pushing it. No. You know, she left a free pawn. She left a free pawn. Bad, kid. You're bad. Knight c6. Rook d7. That was so weird. Check. Move. Check. Rook g8. Rook g8. You know what? I'm gonna bring my other pawn. I got help. Not a helper. So my rook out of the way. Rook c5. There's rook g8. Play pawn b5. I'm thinking of nothing yet, though. Yet. Okay, let's play. Yeah, let's push pawn. I don't care. Pawn b6. Then play pawn a6, b6. Da da da. Queen. Queen. Now I'm winning with check. Let's play queen here. Mate, not mate. Okay, here. What should I play? I don't know what should I play. So, queen. Yeah, front checkmate. Queen h5 is not mate. Wait, mate. Yeah. Let's go, guys. We just won a Wish Boy. It's my first time winning Wish Boy with 3 crowns. So I actually don't know. Which one should we play? Should I play the engine? So let's play the engine. Let's see. So there are a lot of other bots, dogs, whatever you want to call them. I beat every single beginner bot. I had to be one intermediate. Actually, I had a second account. Actually, beat Emil in 7, but not Nelson, since he was too impossible. Oh, excuse me. So there are a lot of other bots. I think my favorite bot in the top player section is Dingler Rin. He's the first Chinese world champion. Not with it. Who's there with it? Oh, Ding takes it. Giri, I don't know who Giri even is though. Anish Giri. He doesn't even sound like Dutch, bro. He doesn't even sound like Dutch. Why does Ian? I can't spell that last name. That seems too big. Murphy. So yeah, the engine's right here. I put it on maximum because there's no way I could beat it. So it's 1000 intermediate. Yeah, 1000 intermediate. I should have known that. Let's play. Yeah, start from the dead end to like if I get good, I'm gonna play the highest. But like I saw Morton playing the Scholars Plate. Like I didn't know what to do actually. Is he gonna take? He takes. Okay. Spot's gonna be like Pokemon, isn't it? I wanna play Pokemon because I beat her in my last account because there's no way I'd beat her now. It was scary. I didn't see my hanging pawn. What was I doing? Oh my. Yeah, Bishop F5. What am I doing right now? I just blurred my bishop. Hell no. But I think this boss is bad at development. Very bad at development. I'm 100% sure. Yeah, I tried Google to do this. So, is there checkmate possibilities? No. I don't think there's even any. Let's play Queen H5, threatening the H7 pawn. She doesn't care. Okay. That's what most bots do. They don't care. They don't care in money. They care in money. They care in money, by the way. So let's play Knight E3 since he's threatening my knight. Trying to take it like kids on. That's not a kid. She doesn't take. We'll take that. What is it? Okay. Some bots take back, guys. Some don't, since they're done. You know what? Let's take H7. And I'm attacking our rook. It's permanently attacked. Ha. Ha. Smart, right? Smart queen. Smart. I was too scared. I almost played Queen G8 and I would have lost it ASAP. I don't even know where to play. I'm so fused. I'm so fused. Yeah, I know. I got an idea. I'm gonna play rook e1, and then I'm gonna play knight e5, and she can't take me since the pawn's pinned. See if this even works. Yes, sir. Whoop. Oh, hell no. I didn't want to do that. Why did you do that? I didn't see the bishop. Why? Attacking knight. Take knight protocol. Take knight protocol. You stupid bishop. I hate the bishop anymore. I don't even hate it. That thing's gonna get hate quit next year. I'm gonna pre-move this. No! Phew. She didn't take my knight. I mean, my rook. Take that. Take with the queen, bro. Taking the queen's the best thing in the world. Like, your queen's so active. Okay, never mind. This house going crazy. Bruh. I actually lost. I didn't see that either. So, yeah. Let's get another try. So, rematch. Not your game. Play that again. E4. Knight F2. Yes, sir. So this is basically pre-move everything. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Taking my knight. Pinning both of them to counterattack. Wins checks. She goes for checks. She goes for mental health. I know I'm playing Bishop E3. She didn't take the queen. Oh, hell, I can't castle anymore. Why? Okay, so let's attack the queen. Oh, good one. Double. Duplo. Okay, never mind. I just blundered that. Yep. Oh, now I can castle. Wow, I didn't know that. I still did. I said like a million times by now. Oh, literally, so that. Okay, she didn't want to take it. Why are you so shy, whatever. Why does she want to take pieces, bro? Why don't you want my pieces? Why don't you want my pieces? Just push. Never mind. That's a bad idea. She moved her rook. I really wish, and I don't like winning. I mean, I like winning. Nothing inappropriate. I want this pawn gone. Pawn move. A4 pawn. Get hell smacked. Boom. 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 Oof. 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 Never mind. I gained so much material in that. Like, seriously. Yes. Yes. Let's go, baby. I won by checkmate. So, yeah. That's a 15 points. So, let me go to the point where the engine lost the queen. Where's the queen? Yeah, right here. So, after queen e4, bishop b5, knight g5, knight f6, bishop x e4. I play knight x e4, knight takes e4, play a5, knight c6, bishop x to c6. Then I castle, then I played b5, bishop b5, and then he played bishop d7, played e5. Then I played rook a6 engine. Then the engine played rook g8, bishop c8, bishop x a6, h6, and bishop x e5. So guys, I think that's it for the video. And see y'all in the next one.